Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all happy and healthy. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Bluey. So today I'm actually very excited. My daughter actually received her present from my parents, so from Nettie and Poppy, which she's so over the moon about. And when I saw what the product was, I was like, oh my god, why haven't I found this yet? Where did you get it from? I had so many questions. I'm that excited that I actually really can't wait to show you. It is about the brand Sacred Life. So if that interests you and you would like to see it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and we'll get straight into the video. Okay, so my daughter received the Sacred Life product stuff. Now, my parents did say it was a little bit difficult to find, and I won't lie, it is a little bit difficult to find. So it's actually through a place called Pure Essence. I couldn't actually find the brand itself under its own brand, so I'm not sure if I can't find it or I'm missing something, but that is where I found it. Whatever I show you here today, I will link it all below so that way you can find it easily. But yeah, I'm so excited to show you, only because of the fact of the art on it. And when I saw it, I'm like, oh my god, is that Aboriginal? And I think it hits me really hard because I am Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander, which makes me so excited using products like this. So it is, I tried my hardest to find as much information as I could on their website. It was a little difficult. I couldn't find anything that would say that it was vegan or natural kind of thing, but it does say that it uses the Australian Indigenous botanicals. So that kind of really works for me. I'm all about natural stuff, and it's just because my body likes it better. And so yeah, I wanted to show you what you get. So you can get this cute little travel packet. And it's got a shampoo, conditioner, body wash, body lotion, and a little tiny soap bar at the end. I'm going to just hold it up here. I'll show you what it looks like. And then again on the back, it actually tells you everything that's what's in the products, which is so awesome. Again, it says our ingredients, Sacred Life. These unique certified Australian botanics have been widely used by Indigenous Australians for thousands of years. As you know, I love edible beauty. I'm all about edible beauty. They use the Australian botanicals as well, and this just, I don't know why it feels like it just means so much to me with the Aboriginal artwork. And they're actually highlighting the Aboriginals of Australia, which makes me very happy. But yeah, and this is what they have in the ingredients, if you want to stop the video here and have a look. But I think it's so good, and the smell. I had a little bit of a smell, and that's why I decided I'm doing this video. Oh my god is all I can say. So yeah, it's a beautiful one. So the shampoo is Lemon Myrtle. The conditioner is Kakadu Plum. Oh, I love all of these smells, which just makes me so happy. I've already found a skincare range that ticks all the boxes. Now, if I can find their original website, but even if I have to buy it from Pure Essence, that's okay, because I really like the fact that they're using Australian brand stuff. I love the fact that they're using Australian botanicals. Anything that is Aussie, I will support it all the way, especially if I think it's really good. But today, this video is basically about me showing you what it is, and I will probably do a future video of what I truly think of it and if it actually worked. Did it go nicely with the skin? I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna steal this from my daughter, but I will get some insight from her to ask her what she truly thinks of it. I personally will be going to buy some right now because I'm actually really excited. I love it so much. Anyway, body wash is the Desert QUANDONG. I think if I pronounce that correctly. I'm horrible when it comes to pronouncing any kinds of words. Body lotion, Lily Pilly. it just, oh, it's so good. And then you've got the Sacred Life soap. I am going to open it up. My daughter's already gone into it just to smell everything. She's like me. We love scenty things. And this just, we got so excited when we saw the artwork, to be honest. It's just so beautiful. So, all right, this is the shampoo Lemon Myrtle. And hopefully, oh, it is open, apparently. Oh, yeah. That smells absolutely beautiful. She's gonna love that. I'm not gonna lie, I would love it too. But yes, the next one is the conditioner, Kakadu Plum. That one's, what's this one smell like? Oh my god, this smells so good. I really can't wait to buy some for myself. This is absolutely beautiful. The Body Wash Desert QUANDONG. We actually opened this one up, the big bottle. That's what this one is. It's a huge body wash bottle, 1000 ml, and oh, the smell is just, I'm not even going to bother opening up this one because it's right here, and it's, oh, the smell is just so divine and absolutely nice. Like, it's luxe, it's beautiful. It's just, wow, is all I can say. I love the smell of this body wash, so I actually can't wait to buy myself one for the shower. So yeah, I'll just move that over there, but that's that one. And for the body wash, we have the Lily Pilly. Let's see what that one smells like. Oh, this cream, I would love to put it all over my body. Oh, it's so beautiful. This reminds me of when I grew up. There was a cream that was like this, and I feel like one of my relatives wore it. I don't know, but it smells absolutely beautiful. Oh, it's so nice. And lastly, we have the soap. I know I keep bending down kind of thing. It's kind of like sitting on the floor. Everything's just down there. So yeah, we've got the Sacred Life soap. I'm not going to open it up because she actually wants to use this for when we travel at the end of the year. But we'll see. She might end up using it beforehand. We're not sure. But yeah. Oh, what? Well, I know that scent, and I can't put my finger on what that is, but it smells absolutely beautiful. I think there's only one critique that I could probably say about this. The packaging, really. I feel like because of the way that we are living right now, and trying to be a bit more sustainable, I think if they change the packet, the packaging of all of their bottles and stuff, I think it would feel even like more of a luxe brand, and this would sell like hotcakes. But honestly, packaging wouldn't stop anyone. This stuff is so amazing. I am so keen on buying myself some, and when I do, you're all going to know about it because I'm all about this kind of stuff. It's just so beautiful, and I'm so glad that my mum actually decided to gift this to our daughter, and I didn't even know it actually existed. So now that I know that it does, I finally found something that's going to be great when it comes to, you know, shower time, you know, so I've already found my skincare range, which is Edible Beauty, and now I've found something that's actually for the body, where you can wash yourself and do your hair and also put some moisturizer on your body. It's just amazing. I love the fact of finding stuff like this. Big win with the fact that it also supports Aboriginals as well. I'm just so blown away right now about this that I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to show you all when I finally receive my order. Oh, I just wish I found this earlier. Like, I could have been using this stuff, and the scents are just absolutely divine and beautiful. I don't really know what else to say because on their website or on their page, it didn't really give us a lot of information of whether it was vegan, sustainable, that, you know, the basics of what you would want in a product, and you want to know a little bit more about if it's natural or whether it has something that's not good. But other than that, I think it's an absolute amazing brand. So if you haven't checked it out, Sacred Life is the one to go to. I will have it all linked below for you. I wish I found this so much sooner, honestly. I'm just so keen to get my hands on some right now and just to start using it. I'm so like a little bit jealous. My daughter has this, so it's just, I'm speechless. So there you have it, lovelies. That is what was in today's video of basically talking about the Sacred Life brand, of their products. It's just so beautiful. I love them already, and I haven't even gotten, I haven't really tried it or tested them yet, but I feel like it's gonna be a good thing. But we'll see. It could be completely the opposite. We don't know until I get my own and try them out. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos like this. And don't forget to be positive and give love. Bye!